Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify WordPress site, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your WordPress site, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the settings section in the left-hand menu. In the settings menu, look for general and click on it. Scroll down to find the site address field. Copy the entire URL listed there. Next, open a new tab in your web browser. Head to the Google Search Console website. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, select Add Property from the drop-down menu. Paste your WordPress site URL into the provided field. Click Continue to proceed. You will be presented with different verification methods. Choose the HTML tag option for an easy integration. Copy the HTML meta tag provided to you. Return to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Appearance section and click on Theme Editor. Locate the header.php file from the list on the right. Carefully paste the copied HTML meta tag just before the closing /head tag. Save the changes to the header.php file. Go back to the Google Search Console. Click the Verify button to complete the process. If everything was done correctly, you will see a success message. If not, double-check the pasted code and try again. Once verified, you can start monitoring your site's performance in Google Search Console. You're now ready to explore the various tools available to optimize your WordPress site's visibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.